Yo, what's up, guys? It's Mrich here. Today we got the Concrete Cypher with Lil Yachty, Draft Day, DC2TRILL Camo, and Karrahbooo. And so I reacted to their Mojam song, and Lil Yachty, Draft Day, DC2TRILL, and Karrahbooo were on that. Camo wasn't, so I'm excited to hear him, see what he, or her, I don't actually know, see what they're rocking with. And I'm excited to hear everyone else because they all snapped on the last song, especially Draft Day.
Stop is on the Radar Radio.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Yes, sir, baby. On the Radar Radio Cyphers. Yo, this is a Concrete Cypher. You see who's in the building. I'm going to step out. They all going to step in and body this. All right? Let's go.
It's us. Go. Her and her friends want liquor. I left and came back with 4 rums like Reddit. Check up on all my exes. Big body up in Texas. All white body, but it's not a Lexus. My cup look a little reddish. Purple inside a yellow Fanta. Now it's like Cameron Reddish. She told me she's not that flexible. Neither's my schedule. We still gon' check it. I treat the money like messages. Keeping it blue like I still ain't read it. Crosses on my glasses. Fuck all the ops, we fastest. Make them past tense. Bitches treat me just like fat fuck.
He said, crosses on my glasses, fuck something about fascists, fuck the ops.
Crosses on my glasses. Fuck all the ops, we fastest. Make them past tense.
He said, crosses on my glasses, fuck the odds, we fascist, put them all in the past tense. That's a fire little scheme right there.
Like I still ain't read it. Crosses on my glasses, fuck all the ops, we fastest, make them past tense. Bitches treat me just like Fat Farm, my name on all they asses. Nigga flex his chains, I held my hands up and made invisible glasses. I still couldn't see it. Treat a broke nigga like we playing freeze tag, cause I just couldn't be it. Treat a pussy like a janky friend who broke something, fuck it up and leave it. She wanna be 31, gotta stamp it up in ink. She like 42, I'm just like you, without the drink. Concrete diamonds, lay our chains on the ground and make a skating ring. My mans will slap a nigga at the war show like I'm Jada Pink. Okay, yeah. US in my bio, like I love my country.
He said my mans will slap a dude at the award show like I'm Jada Pink.
War show like I'm Jada Pink. Okay, yeah. US in my bio, like I love my country. First I'm loading up right now, bitch, I can feel it coming. First thing off the bat, I can't love a gnat, it's just a gnat. My stepper can't be televised, he's known to twitch like Casanat. All of my ropes.
He said my stepper can't be televised, he's known to twitch like Casanat. That's fire, that's a hard bar.
My stepper can't be televised, he's known to twitch like Casanat. All of my ropes is gold, I'm using them bitches to tie up the sack. I hit the bitch from the side.
He said all these ropes is gold, we using these bitches to tie up the sack. Fire.
I can't risk her digging her nails in my back. Bought in DC, poured so much walking the pop, the soda went flat.
He said he poured so much walk in the pop, the soda went flat.
Nails in my back. Bought in DC, poured so much walking the pop, the soda went flat.
I was running through pints in 2 days. All of my hoes go 2 ways.
He said I was running through pints in 2 days. Yeah, definitely got an issue if you're doing all that.
I was running through pints in 2 days. All of my hoes go 2 ways. I've been that nigga since daddy had niggas still 2 ways. Never consent to a due date. My wife is like my.
Never consent to a due date.
I've been that nigga since daddy had niggas still 2 ways. Never consent to a due date. My wife is like my credit card. My black bitch like my blue face. I hate a bougie bitch that try to take me on a police chase. Me and my mom got matching watches. Hers just got the new face. Stuffing honey.
Me and my mom got matching watches. Hers just got the new face.
Police chase. Me and my mom got matching watches. Hers just got the new face. Stuffing hundreds in a piggy bank like it's a fly base. They claiming I gotta be Ken and Mace. I need to find Jesus like him, so I can sit down with him and tell him I wanna be just like him. One go to like Tyson. White bitch look like Tyson. Stacking up chicken like Tyson. Where I've been carrying these niggas real soon I'ma have.
White bitch look like Tyson. Stacking up chicken like Tyson. Tyson chicken nuggets.
Bitch look like Tyson. Stacking up chicken like Tyson. Where I've been carrying these niggas real soon I'ma have me a bag like a bison. Late night I call on my Dyson. Squeeze it real tight like a python. 26 bitches in minstrels. Doggy right down in his day clothes. Had too much hair.
Wait, he said late night I call it my Dyson. He said late night I call it that thing. That gonna give me that good shot.
A python. 26 bitches in minstrels. Doggy right down in his day clothes. Had too much hair for a ski mask. Every rap nigga.
Have too much hair for a ski mask. I feel that, bro.
There's a bands we know who would be in Maybach and who we consider the E-class. I don't do GFs unless they gon' give me a cheap ass. Why would this look on my head for so long, it done damn near gave me a heat rash. Like 26, mama told me daddy wanted abortion. Imagine the loss of the fortune. That thought of that had me scorching. I thought of my mama going 9 to 5 because of an unready boyfriend. These niggas be talking about stepping, that's something I just don't recall. Just like the thought of horse skin.
He said these dudes be talking about stepping, that's something I just don't recall.
Niggas be talking about stepping, that's something I just don't recall. Just like the thought of horse skin. I woke up and felt like I didn't want to share, and I'm taking back all of the portions. I wish I had time I had on you niggas, cause we would've brought back extortions. I know that thing by the nails, the mother these niggas is constantly forcing. Niggas is overly gangster, protecting the image they don't even know, and these niggas do not know the answer. Us.
Solid to the bone, concrete structure, they know what we on. You going back and forth with these niggas.
You know what I forgot to do? Just realized I forgot to turn on my cool lights, bruh. They got the cool background lights. We got cool background lights. Let's get them going. We'll put them on green too. Green. Got green background lights with them.
Dog, they vehicle, is they
Turn it
phone.
back.
In the image they don't even know, and these niggas do not know the answer. Us.
Solid to the bone, concrete structure, they know what we on. You going back and forth with these niggas.
Solid
dog,
to
they
the
vehicle.
bone, concrete structure. They know what we on. That's fire. Because we solid, because we concrete solid as fuck. He said, but we family, so we staying together. That's a fire little line.
To the bone, concrete structure, they know what we on. You going back and forth with these niggas, dog, they vehicle, is they only home. I keep all blues like a jazz player, call me Karl Malone. He ain't get a pay-
He said, I keep all blues like a jazz player. Call me Karl Malone. That's fire. Even though Karl Malone's a basketball player, but I feel like he probably did some like jazz or something. He said he liked jazz or something and got thrown in that bar. That's fire.
home. I keep all blues like a jazz player, call me Karl Malone.
Unless Karl Malone is also a jazz player. I just caught it. Karl Malone played for the Jazz Blues Jet. I don't know how that just slipped my mind. Like, I was like, Karl Malone's a basketball player. How does that even make sense? And then Jazz, the Utah Jazz. He played on the Utah Jazz. Bro, that's fire. That's a bar and a half right there. That's like, that's insane.
Is they only home. I keep all blues like a jazz player, call me Karl Malone.
I keep all blues like a jazz player. Call me Karl Malone. That's so fire. Holy.
Is they only home. I keep all
I can't believe I didn't catch that at first, the jazz part at first. Jazz player.
blues like a jazz player, call me Karl Malone. He ain't get a paper up yet, it's cool. He got late fees. Who the fuck gave me these $20 bills? Dog, I hate these. Cycling foreign whips.
Who gave me these $20 bills, dog? I hate these.
Late fees. Who the fuck gave me these $20 bills? Dog, I hate these. Cycling foreign whips. On expensive trips, like an 8-speed. Ain't studying none of these broke hoes. Blackout curtains on my windows. Sip, sip. Quarter piece of benzo, extra Renzo. Chauffeur around in caddies, dog. I got this from my 10 toes. Smashed on Fat Tuesday, left foot in the NO. Grew up with the goons, pray out, knowing how the shit go. Real lakeside, baby, I do it for my kinfolk.
Tell me what's the word, you must not heard. I'm storming by the man, I promise that we tied in. When shit get tough, I know the creek gon' hold me over. Every day I'm getting closer to my dreams. They running schemes, but won't trick me about my spot. I earn my rank, she
He said, every day I'm getting closer to my dreams, but they running schemes they trying to get me out of there. They don't want me to be to my dream. But every day I'm getting a little closer. I'm gonna get there.
closer to my dreams. They running schemes, but won't trick me about my spot. I earn my rank, she throwing twat. In exchange for friends and fame, your favorite rapper, real life lame. The true first charge it to the game. I'm not impressed, we're not the same. How you flexing but living check to check, you better come correct. They know it's us in full of
He said, how you flexing but living check to check, you better come correct. That's fire.
fame. How you flexing but living check to check, you better come correct. They know it's us in full effect. Any disrespect, my step will right direct. Cleats on concrete Nikes. I don't care if you don't really like me. I know banks don't right beside me. They say it's love, but I feel despised. I see the pain, I can read the lies. All between the lines, man, free the guys. I repeat the ones who ain't
Did he say read in between the lines, free to God, something like that?
Nikes. I don't care if you don't really like me. I know banks don't right beside me. They say it's love, but I feel despised. I see the pain, I can read the lies. All between the lines, man.
Oh, I feel the pain, I can see the lies, I read right in between the lines.
Right beside me, they say it's love, but I feel despised. I see the pain, I can read the lies. All between the lines, man, free the guys. I repeat the ones who ain't crossed that line. To the other side, I'm in prime time. My life in the sunshine. First you get that money, then that power, the world is all mine. Yeah, nigga, it's ice.
He definitely didn't go as crazy as he did on their song, but he still snapped. Flow was fire and everything. Gonna give her whiplash. Hold up.
Ain't no nigga that I trust to knock off the dust. Walker that sack.
Ain't no dude I trust to knock off the dust.
Ain't no nigga that I trust to knock off the dust. Walker that sack under my arm, cause stacking up a must. I crushed the perk into the
Walking with that sack under my arm because of stacking up is a must.
off the dust.
I feel it.
Walker that sack under my arm, cause stacking up a must. I crushed the perk into the tusk, too beat up the fuzz. Move like a boss, I'm not like them, they doing such and such. I was selling lemonade while y'all would double dutch. I used to scam,
She said I was selling lemonade while y'all were double dutching. While y'all were playing when you were kids, I was out there hustling. I was selling lemonade, selling candy, selling what I could, getting that money.
such and such. I was selling lemonade while y'all would double dutch. I used to scam, I used to trap, I never cuddled much. I to the aim, stretch my plans, I never settled much.
She said I used to scam, I used to trap, I never cuddled much. She didn't have time for all the relationship shit. I was trying to get that money, hustling.
I used to trap, I never cuddled much. I to the aim, stretch my plans, I never settled much. I slipped on pimping once. You asked for hoes, I brought them round, and you ain't flipping once. Got all them guns,
He said I tried pimping once. You asked for hoes, I brought them around. You didn't fuck them once.
pimping once. You asked for hoes, I brought them round, and you ain't flipping once. Got all them guns, put in your name, and you ain't gripping once. He sent the money for
Damn, she said I got all those guns put in your name and you ain't gripped them once.
flipping once. Got all them guns, put in your name, and you ain't gripping once. He sent the money for some pints, but I ain't shipped not one. It's Karrahbooo.
He sent the money for them pints, but I ain't shipped not one. She said he sent the money, but I ain't shipping them. Scam.
Not the two, you gotta know I'm up. I heard you been say you the one. I guess it never stuck. I'm too stuck up, just like in tennis, so let me get the signal. Up late like I'm Jay Leno. I move around with third shot.
Up late like I'm Jay Leno. Jay Leno's got that late night show. That's fire.
Up just like in tennis, so let me get the signal.
Well, actually, I don't know if he still has a late night show, but he used to.
Up late like I'm Jay Leno. I move around with third strike criminals. You get the memo? It's us.
That was fire. Alright. Well, if there's any more, I don't know if they really have any more stuff, the Concrete guys. But if they do, put it down in the comments. I will react to that. The original link to this video will be in the description. They all snapped on this. They all went crazy. They all had different flows, different pockets. The bars were fire from each person. Everyone had at least a few fire bars to spit out. So yeah, they went crazy on that. But yeah, I'm out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Mrich, and I'm out. Peace.